Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you to water liquid simulation. First of all, we will play the video. Press 1 and scroll this one, shift A and add a cube. It's too much big, it's little bit. Yes, G and Z. Yes, S and Z. Okay, like this. Well, now we control A and scale. Okay, now we will do this click on a cube object, quick liquid. Okay, now we want to scale it S and Z. Scale it. Now click on one, G and Z, little bit. Okay, now we will domain setting. Okay, control A and scale. Now click on domain, domain liquid, resolution density is 175, like this, 0. Okay, now we want to cube to G and Y. Click on domain. Okay, border collision, uncheck all this tick. Click on this border collision and now we will replay to modular is resumable. Okay, now we will click on cube, initial velocity y-axis minus y-axis. Okay, y, negative to 10. Okay, now we will go to click on this object and fluid set as effector. Okay, now we will click on this and line, and we will from start to 1 into 70. Okay, and back to back data. Okay, look at it, this is amazing. Wow. Now select the domain and go to the mesh setting, setting to 3. Now big mesh data. Okay, now baking start. It will be big. Yes, it's amazing.